All right, so we're pulling up to a leak detection that we're doing. This is a residential. A plumber came out here already. They actually did a meter test, everything off in the house. We're gonna babysit the meter for ourselves to back that up, and then we're gonna do our walkthrough. So we have our meter. Our house is the house starts literally about 30 feet away from here, but the main is past the driveway, about 60 feet from here. So we didn't shut the shut off at the house. So right now it's basically as if we came up here and the house was in fully functioning. When we come over here, we're gonna see our dial. We're gonna see our spin on our dial, and that's gonna tell us that this thing is sending that water to the house. We do have a leak. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna shut off our main to the house. Then we're gonna come back here to our meter and see if we still have a spin. So let's go do that. So as you can see, the meter is still. So this is gonna tell us that our leak is back behind the shutoff. It's gonna be somewhere under the house, around the house. Again, we didn't even get to that point yet. But this is isolation. This is what we call babysitting the meter. And this is what we do. It's one of the first things that we do besides greeting the customer when we first pull up. So we're gonna just set up our equipment and we're gonna systematically keep walking the property in that outside perimeter, and then we're going to hug the house, and we're going to show you as we move on. So when we start hugging the house, he comes to the other side of the fence. So now we're going to take off the hot water heater cover that we have exposed here, and we're starting to hear something even louder over here. If you're hearing something on the outside, chances are you're going to pick it up when you go on the inside too. So now we're entering the house and staying right. Now we're at a bathroom. We're going to listen to shower valves. We're going to listen to toilet stub-ups. We're going to listen to sink stub-ups. And here we go. So we're hearing a leak over here. So it's telling us. So now when we're hearing two leaks, it could be near either one. It could be in the middle. We're going to touch valves. We're going to touch anything that's metal that's tied to this plumbing. And we're hearing a considerable leak over there. In areas that we can't get our deck plate in easily, we like to take our flat disc and put it on the end of our pipe probe and listen to the floor, to the areas where we thought we heard something on the stub up. So we're honing in on our leak here, and we're hearing our leak pretty loud right in this area over here. Now we're not going to make our judgment call yet. This is where we're hearing it loudest. We're going to write up this leak detection report, then we're going to give it an estimate. We get the work good, we don't get the work, we still did well with our leak detection, and we'll move on.